Hey guys, I'm at the new office in Lawrenceville and I just unloaded 150 bricks. Wanted to do a quick video and talk about some of the challenges with the soft bricks in Lawrenceville. 130 of these bricks right here I got from Monroe, so it's kind of cool. Some of the Monroe old building will be here in Lawrenceville. You can see here these bricks match pretty well to the original bricks that we have. I'll show you that in a second. They got this nice orange clay look to them, and they look hand formed. They're a bunch of different sizes, which they probably came from different buildings. I didn't pick through them enough. I was really more interested in the color. But the challenge we're having with the brick, and we've gone over it, is we've put a number of sealers on the brick, and the brick is really still dusting. So we've come up with this detail right here, which there'll be a tray with some slate in it, and the heart pine original flooring will come right to the edge. So you'll have this nice transition piece of the heart pine flooring to the slate to the brick. And we did that because the brick did not form a nice straight edge, and we had to resolve how we were going to detail that. But you can see here, for whatever reason, this center section of brick is really eroding, and it just continues to do so. And we've put 6 layers of sealer on it, and it just really is pretty bad. I'll see if I can, this right here is an example of a brick. You can see the brick that's doing pretty well up above and around it, and then this brick right here is just turning to dust, and it's falling down in the tray. And some of the bricks up here are doing the same thing. So when I move in, I really don't want to constantly be vacuuming up brick dust, and it'd be a really big challenge with this slate detail. So we want to get this dusting stopped, and I've just reached the point where I think it's probably best to go in here and replace some of the crumbling bricks. But it's interesting, this section of the wall is really the only part that's doing it. You can see it down through there. It's about the center of the building. But the rest of the wall is doing really well. This is a portion where we infilled right here, and here's the front as well. And so there's not any dust down on the floor here. So I think the sealer has done its job and has stopped this brick from dusting. This wall over here is the same way. It's not really dusting anymore. You don't see any dust down at the floor. But back here, which is going to be a little corridor outside our restrooms, you do see a little bit of dust right there. So I think that's so minimal. I'm going to try to spray this brick with the sealer. What we'll do is when we put the other brick in, is we'll want to seal it as well. You can see the newer brick that we had to put in. That brick had completely eroded as well, and there actually weren't bricks there when we uncovered the plaster wall. So that's the status of the brick. We'll try that, try to replace the bricks. I'll take some videos and show you guys what the final result is. But I would appreciate it if you hit the like button. That does a lot for the YouTube algorithm. And if you'd subscribe as well. We're trying to grow the channel and just get the channel where it has more viewers. So I'd appreciate you hitting the like button and hitting the subscribe if you haven't done so already. But we'll see you guys next time. Take care.